Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video we're talking about how to fix a very annoying error in Microsoft Teams, which is the Microsoft Teams installation has failed. Open setup log for more information. So don't worry, we're going to fix this. So guys, firstly, you will need to uninstall the app, alright? So you can do this in the Windows settings or you can do this in the control panel. Whichever method you prefer, just go ahead and uninstall this application. And after that, that was the easy part. After that, you just need to completely delete all leftover files. So when you delete the apps, the trash from it is still remaining on your operating system. So for that, I recommend using Everything, which is the amazing search app that is completely free. You can download it for free. So it's just called Everything, and you just go here into the search field and type in Teams or MS Teams or Microsoft Teams, whichever name there is. And as you can see, we have a bunch of trash. We have Microsoft Teams executable, updates. Well, that's because probably, I don't think I have it installed, so this is the trash that's left after it. So as you can see, yeah. So you just basically choose all of the files, but also make sure to not delete the system files, okay? So you have to be careful with this, because this application shows all the files with a certain set name. So basically delete these, right? These files, the folders, right? As you can see, we have folders. MS Teams app, as you can see, there's a bunch of stuff. So basically delete all of this. Okay guys, and the next fix is going to be trying and fixing the registry entries for Microsoft Teams. So for that guys, you just go to this path right over here. So it's going to be present if you have this app installed. Probably for me it's just not installed. So just right click and delete the Teams key. Alright, there's going to be key like these over here. So you just right click and delete, but make sure to not mess anything up by deleting something else. And after that guys, the last fix is going to be downloading and reinstalling this app. So just type in Teams download, go to the official website, and of course download the installer right over here from the official website. And then when you download it, make sure to run installer as administrator. And this is pretty much the fixes. Hopefully this sorts you out and helps you. If it does, leave a comment if it did, and of course, press like on the video, give a huge thumbs up, and subscribe. See you soon, guys.